You can see that from 2010 to 2014, the overweight among the 18 plus old adults has been increasing. And if you look at the next slide, we will have the obesity again among these population groups, within these population groups, in both sexes. And you can see that we have populations and countries like Turkey or Czech Republic, or which have obesity level which are more than 25% of the population. So really an epidemic in this respect. And what is most worrying in the next slide is the increase over time in different areas of Europe among adolescents. And this is quite interesting to see that between 2002 and 2010, and there are more data which are coming up in March on this type of observations which are confirming this trend, there's been an increased proportion of overweight and obesity people in young people in all the area of Europe, including Western Europe, Southern Europe, particularly Eastern Europe and Northern Europe. Now, this is particularly relevant also among children. These are the COSI study, which is coordinated by Joao. I'm sure he will mention that later on with more details. This is the prevalence of overweight among boys aged 7 years. And you can see the figures are really shocking. And these are children which most likely will become overweight or obese adults.